Here we are for a different Volvo car repair. This is in a 2001 S40 1.9T, and this is for the turn signals, the turn indicators. Normally, they would flash when I push this lever down. However, nothing happens. And you can sometimes hear a little twitching, clicking, like chattering noise coming from what normally would be the relay doing its steady on-off click. Usually to fix this, you can reach over, hit the four-way flasher button, and there. Now it's working again, but there's a high chance that it will start to fail on the next couple turns or so. However, I was able to get a replacement flashing relay right here, and I'm going to take the panel underneath the footwell here on the driver's side. I'm going to take that panel off and swap out the relays. Here we are down in the driver's side footwell, currently looking up. There's this panel here, which needs to be removed. The relay is just visible. There's a small fuse box, and the relay is that white and black thing right at my fingertip there. To get to that, I need to remove this little sound editing and cushioning panel. To do so, there's one clip here, and if I can get it on camera, one clip here. These can be moved by fingers, however, usually it is easier, I believe, if one has some needle nose pliers to get a better grip. I'm not sure if I could do this while on camera. I may need to do a bit of editing as I mess around with this, trying to get it off. That was a pain. Finally, got the panel off. Get that up out of the way. You can see, not sure how well the camera will be focused because I cannot see the screen right now, but got sort of a look up into the internals of, yeah, just got, see, brake and steering and accelerator linkages, and some of the climate control, footwell, air outlets there. Now that the difficult part of getting that panel off is done, the relay is right here above this fuse box, so that usually, yeah, that just pops right out. There's the old relay, 3 contacts. This just does the timing of the flashes. The turn indicator lever, or the hazard flasher, four-way flasher button, selects which of the lights the flashing signal goes to. There's a look at it. And I'm gonna toss it out the window so I don't accidentally confuse it with the replacement, which is right here. And I'm not sure if I can do this in one take. I will attempt to get that in there while on camera, though my hand is in the way. And that is installed. Now let's get out of the footwell and see if the flashers work. Here we are looking at the dashboard. Left blinker. Right blinker. And hazard lights, four-way flashers, however you may call them. That is working. And take a look down here. I haven't put the panel back on, but there's the click of the relay. That seems to be functional now.